Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you are allowed to change ownership. Sign into the owner account and make sure admin privileges exist if within a workspace. Open Drive. Google, com and find the file or folder you will transfer, then select it. Once selected, click the Share button and add the recipient email with editor rights. The why is simple. Ownership transfer requires editor status first. Make sure you choose the correct account and organization, because transfers across domains can be restricted. Now assign ownership. Open the Share dialog, confirm the recipient appears as an editor, and use the menu beside their name to select Make Owner. This step actually hands control of file permissions, so take a second to review advanced settings, expiration dates, link sharing, and transfer restrictions. If you are changing a folder owner, note that items inside Inherit changes only when explicitly set. Once done, click Send to apply. Google will prompt confirmation to finalize the transfer. Finish by verifying the change. Open the file details or the recipient's drive and confirm they are listed as owner. If ownership did not change, make sure the recipient accepted any share invitations and that domain policies permit transfers. Workspace settings often block cross-domain ownership. If you still have issues, contact your workspace admin to override restrictions or use the admin console to transfer drive content in bulk. One tip: recheck both accounts for conflicting retention rules that prevent transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.